This is an anti-static wristband. This is for when you're touching the inside of a computer that you don't make static electricity from the ground and shock yourself or the computer.
No, they've given you one. We haven't got one that works. Exactly, you've got one. We haven't got.
So what cable is that? Is that the...
This is the power cable to give power to the hard drive.
Can you swap it for?
Just as evidence. So what is that? That's a...
I don't know, what is that?
I think it's, if you just flip it over. So that's just so that's the metal.
That?
That's a... so it's a graphics card.
This is a graphics card. Here you go. You can see all the graphics card things.
That goes into one of the expansion slots. That one. So if I just move the cable out of the way.
Okay, what way? This way or...?
So that metal side is, yeah, where it is in a minute. So if you push it all the way to the left, like there. There you go, it's in. That's it. So this is the RAM, some DDR2 2 gig stuff. It goes into these sockets on the motherboard. Just make sure I line it up correctly. Push it down till it clicks in. Wrong way. So yeah, push it down till it clicks. Difficult. I think it's in. There you go. RAM installed.
It's very small.
Oh, twist things.
Oh no, I don't think so. Yeah, oh, now it's in.
Ah. Oh.
Go into the BIOS to prove that it's working. Yeah. So it turns.
It might be password on that one.
Yeah, it was, I think.
One of them was. Yeah, I know. But look, you get like a. Sure, is that free? Yeah. Yeah, this is a free. Yeah.
I'm going to start a read-only benchmark. So I'm just click that. It will say gas benchmark. And then just wait for the bar to fill up.
I've got the bumper machine. Yeah.